All right, so I've got a Toro Timecutter 54-inch with the Myride suspension seat. I was having a hard time finding blades for it. Nobody in town had any. I ordered some from Amazon and they put a delay on it. They're not going to be here for like a month. So I went, did some looking. I found these 54-inch bad boy blades. They are super close lengthwise. They don't hit each other. They're technically a tiny bit shorter than the originals, but depending on which blades you buy, they could actually be a tiny bit longer than the original. So it just depends on if you're getting the high cut, the high flow, the mulchers, all that thing, you know. So anyway, I got them mounted under here. They sit really nice. They hug the sidewall super close, but not too close. They have nice overlap when both blades are pointing straight, and they do not come into contact. They've got a perfect little gap in between them. So anyway, these are the Bad Boy Fusion blades. High lift. They have significantly more lift than the high lift Toro blades. They're also a thicker blade. They're actually the same as the Toro Titan. They're 2.5 inch wide instead of 2 1/4. And one thing I really liked, this edge is like twice as long as the cutting edge on the Toro blades. So that's nice. But anyway, these are the Fusions. They're supposed to stay sharp 2 or 3 times longer. I think they're carbide edged, something like that. Anyway, the only thing I ran into, and this might not be a problem for you, but on mine, I've got a slightly bent piece here under my chute, and right there, it is ever so slightly clipping it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna grind this piece down. It's just the tiniest amount. I'm gonna cut maybe an 1/8 inch at an angle just like that and just cut that off. And then these will be excellent. Like I said, mine is bent. I don't know how good you can see on the video, but it's bent pretty bad. I caught it on a piece of wood a while back. And so with those original blades, it wasn't an issue, but with these, it's bent it down just enough to catch that edge of that high lift portion. So all I'm gonna do is trim that little piece, and that's that. I'll make another video and let you know how they cut. But if you're having the same problem I was having, trying to find your 54-inch Toro Timecutter with the Myride, the blade set, or if you just want a better high lift with a nice heavy duty blade, these are thick, have a really good cutting edge on them, a nice high lift section, because I like to throw that grass out to the side. I don't like how it just lumps out the side of the mower. So anyway, I'm gonna trim that, get it to where it's clearing, and get to mowing. All right, so I'm back. That took me maybe a minute and a half to go grab my grinder and chop off that little piece and give myself nice good clearance. And like I said, this might not be a problem if it wasn't for the fact that mine's bent. But anyway, that's it. That is the only piece that I had any clearance issues with. Everything is looking really good. There is I mean, just really good clearance between everything, but not too much clearance. It should cut beautiful. They've got really good overlap when the blades are both pointing straight. And with the high lift on these blades, I'm anticipating these are going to do great. But like I said, I'll come back, do another video, let you know how they cut. But these are the blades. It is the Fusion Bad Boy 54-inch Fusion blades. It says 2 times longer stay sharp on here. Online they say 3 times sharp longer. So I don't know if that's something they've updated or if it's just a typo. But anyway, looks good. I'm gonna go ahead and tighten everything up, get to mowing, and yeah, I'll do another video, let you know how they perform. All right, guys.